Greetings, I'm MahBoi from the Mob Miners, and today I'll be explaining the Setblock Command, what it does, how to use it, and the practical applications of it. So let's get started. What does the Setblock Command do? It is a command capable of placing a single block. In this case, it will place a cobblestone block to help us get onto this village roof. If you're looking to place multiple blocks at once, you should look into the /fill command instead, which we covered in a previous tutorial. So how do we use the Setblock command? The full Setblock command looks like this, but the basic format is setblock, x coordinate, y coordinate, z coordinate, and your block ID. So let's say we want to place a block of wool into the center of our target. To find the x, y, and z coordinates, simply press F3 on your keyboard, look at your targeted block, and on the bottom of the left column, it will say looking at. So let's write down those three numbers and punch them into our command block over here. So it's setblock, x coordinate, y coordinate, and z coordinate. And now we need our block ID. The block ID is just the most obvious name of your block, but in some cases the blocks have strange IDs. I would use a Minecraft ID list to look them up, and I'll leave one in the description below. So ours is wool. So when we push the button, it places white wool into the center of our target. The next element of the setblock command is data. It's a number 0 through 16, and in some blocks it affects the color or orientation of the block. If you don't want anything special in your block, just punch in 0. So let's say we want the center of the target to be blue wool instead of white. So according to the Minecraft ID list, the data of blue wool is 11. So we'll punch that in, push the button, and we have blue wool. Next is the method. The three methods are replace, keep, and destroy. The default is replace, and what it does is it will replace the old block with a new block, like that. The next method is keep, and what keep does is it will only replace the block if it's empty. So as you can see, the block in the middle is full of white wool. So when we punch in the keep command, it will not do anything. But when it's empty, it will place the block. The final method is destroy, and what destroy does is it destroys the old block, drops the entity, and places a new one in. So if we click that, you can see it destroyed the blue wool and dropped the entity block. The final part is the data tag, which is a complex NBT tag that can be used to customize certain things, like the text of signs and the content of chests. But we will cover that in a future video. There are many practical uses of the setblock command, but perhaps the most useful one is wireless redstone. On the left is a traditional redstone wire hooked up to a redstone lamp. On the right there's wireless redstone, also hooked up to a redstone lamp. So the first command block, what it does is it places a redstone torch on top of the red wool. Then it powers these redstone repeaters that create a short delay, and then finally it powers this one, which sets air there, so it removes the redstone so the lamp isn't powered anymore. So overall, these two setups do practically the same thing. Only one is shorter than the other, which is an advantage of wireless redstone. I hope this tutorial was both informative and helpful. If you still have any unanswered questions, please leave them in the comment section, and I'll answer them as soon as I get the chance. For our closer, let's use just one more setblock command. I'm MahBoi from the Mob Miners, and thanks for watching.